Hello guys, this is Sis Samurai. Okay, I just thought I should do this quick video about this quick airdrop BNB cash that you can quickly take advantage of. You get 1000 BNB cash token. Let me show you what I've got here. Here, right here, that's it. I've got 1000 BBC. So to get this, simply come to your dApps, paste in right here the link that you see in this description, and then just simply go to the website. So to bring you to this website, and the first thing you want to do, for you it might be Ethereum that will be here at the top, so you change it to smart chain, this stuff at the top right here. So once you change it to BSC, you come down here and then claim now. It will take you down. You can see 44 days to go, 2 hours 55 minutes 50 seconds right now. Okay, and then you click on claim. And once you click on claim, it will bring you here to the smart contract area where it will connect you to your wallet. And all you just need to do is click here where it says insufficient smart chain BNB balance. There, that's where you have your own button where you can click it if you have enough balance. So you just click it, it will connect, and that's it. And once it connects, what you need to do is come here and copy the contract address. As you can see, it says copy address. So what you need to do is copy this contract address that is right here, long press. It will just copy everything, and then go back to your wallet. Once you get to your wallet, what you need to do is, you won't have it here like I have it. So what you need to do is these 3 buttons at the top here, just click it and then paste that contract address that you just copied. It will show the token, so you say add token. Once you say add token, it will bring you, then you change this from Ethereum to smart chain, and then you paste the address right here, and then you see it populates the rest, and then you just click on done, and then it will show up as you have it here, like I have it here. So that's it. It's that simple. And if you don't know how to buy BNB, I might be making another video to show you how you can buy BNB from Binance and then transfer it to your Trust Wallet address so that you can claim your token. It's really that easy. It's not hard at all. All right then. Bye.